got an idea, Mya. Why don't you draw your own comic instead?
Me?
Yes. If you can't read a Betsy Brilliant story, you can just make up your own.
Okay, Mama. That's a great idea.
My magazine didn't come either.
Why don't you have an hour in the shed?
Yay!
So, Mya, what's Betsy Brilliant's adventure about this time?
I know! Betsy Brilliant and the missing lorry full of magazines! It all began when a lorry full of magazines broke down on the way to Everyday. Luckily, Betsy Brilliant was close by and swooped in to save the day.
I didn't know Betsy Brilliant could fly.
Oh yes! All the best superheroes can fly.
I thought her superpower was reading minds.
She can do that too. The lorry of magazines is on its way to Everyday again. But oh no! It bumps into a building! Luckily, here comes Betsy Brilliant again. She simply picks everything up again.
Gosh, Betsy is very strong.
Yes. No sooner is the lorry back on the road than it skids into the river. Betsy Brilliant has to save it again. Why does the lorry keep on crashing? It's Pantaloon! Why are you such a troublemaker, Pantaloon?
Why is he such a troublemaker?
Aha! Only Betsy Brilliant knows. Because of her special mind-reading power. Reading Pantaloon's mind, Betsy finally understands. Pantaloon isn't really a troublemaker. He's just misunderstood.
Oh, one of those guys.
Yes, Pantaloon is upset that everyone gets a magazine apart from him. Well, I have a surprise for you, Pantaloon. Because I read your mind, I knew you wanted a magazine. So I ordered you one.
Oh, that's nice of Betsy. What magazine is it?
It's called Troublemaker Weekly. Now get back into that lorry and deliver those magazines. And once again, Betsy Brilliant saves the day.
A fantastic story, Mya.
Special delivery!
It's Larry Send!
The lorry made it here at last!
Hooray! Thank you, Larry. Here's your shed magazine, Dada.
I thought it would never get here.
It was Betsy Brilliant who fixed things, you know.
Was it now? Good old Betsy.
Her special superpower is reading minds, but she can also fly and is super strong as well.
Those are good powers.
Mya, you have a superpower too.
Really?
You're super at making comics.
Mya Go saves the day.
Hi, Auntie B. I brought back your puzzle.
Oh, thanks, Cian. Nice basket.
Thanks. What are you doing?
I am making a smoothie with my bicycle-powered smoothie maker.
Bikes are brilliant, aren't they? Do you know when they were invented?
Over 200 years ago. And this is what the first bicycle looked like. They called it a dandy horse, so you could use it for getting around instead of a horse. Now, what do you notice about the dandy horse?
It's got no pedals.
Correct! You pushed off the ground with your feet instead.
Like a scooter. I'd say it must have been hard getting that dandy horse up a hill.
It was, but luckily somebody had an idea to fix that. What do you notice about this bicycle?
Pedals.
Correct again!
But look, the pedals are attached to the front wheel. But why doesn't my bike have pedals on the front wheel?
Aha! Leave it to me. I'm Auntie B.
Auntie B, That's my bike wheel. And you've stuck on pedals.
Don't worry, Cian. I'll put it all back together as good as new. Now, watch. Pedals were a brilliant invention because you could move without putting your feet on the ground. But with pedals attached to the front wheel like this, if you wanted to go faster,
You'd have to pedal really, really fast to make the wheel turn.
pedal really, really fast, or get a bigger wheel.
Wow, look at that wheel. It's like a bicycle for a giraffe.
And the enormous front wheel meant you could go faster.
Yeah, but it must have been a bit wobbly being so high up.
It was, but then something else was invented.
Aha! The chain!
The chain connected the pedals to the back wheel, so you didn't have to pedal as fast to make the wheel turn.
2 wheels, 2 pedals, and a chain. I get it! Bikes are brilliant.
Hey, I think it's time for a
Brilliant invention fact!
Brilliant invention fact!
Did you know there's a bicycle made for 2? It's called a tandem bicycle. And yes, people cycle it together. Some people are very good at it, like these 2 Irish athletes, Katie George Dunleavy and Eve McChrystal. They've won loads of medals with their tandem, including gold for Ireland at the Paralympics.
Brilliant invention fact!
Auntie B, do you know any bicycle moves we can use for our dance?
How about break dancing?
Oh yeah, I love break dancing.
No, I mean break dancing.
Humblebluff, we can help you.
You really want to help me? After all the trolling I've done to you?
Yeah, of course we do. But your Gizkite could be anywhere by now. Where do we start looking?
Latest weather reports show gusts of wind heading towards the west.
Right, then the kite probably blew in that direction.
So let's check it out.
Great!
Me first!
Where is it?
I can't see it anywhere. I don't know what I'd do without my Gizkite.
Sounds like you really miss it.
I miss it loads. When I'm flying it, I don't have a care in the world. It's just me, my Gizkite, and the wind. It's perfect.
That's exactly how I feel whenever I ride my bicycle. Wow, I never thought we'd have things in common.
Neither did I. I guess that's another thing we have in common. Oh! Huh? Yoo-hoo! What? No!
Alva, I don't normally see you and Humblebluff together, and definitely not laughing together.
I know, it's a bit strange, all right. But we're helping Humblebluff find her missing Gizkite.
Still Gizkiting! Impressive!
Yeah, and I'm even better at it than you. Now, out of the way, Ooly Fooly!
That wasn't very nice, Humblebluff.
Not very nice at all. And actually, I did see a Gizkite.
You did?
Just now. It went that way.
Look! There it is!
Let's go get it. Thanks, Uli Palm.
Yeah, thanks. I guess.
Oh, it's totally okay.
Aha! Gotcha! Oh no! Oh, almost.
Hey, come back, Gizkite! It's me!
This is highly illogical.
Slippery customer, huh? Hey!
There's something very weird happening here. That giz kite isn't blowing normally in the wind.
Agreed.
I don't get it. I have the remote control here, but it doesn't work. See?
Quick! It's flying over Town Hall!
Oh, thank goodness. It's finally stopped. Hey!
Oh, hey, Humble Bluff. Hi, Alva. Hello, Mo. What's happening?
We've been chasing Humble Bluff's giz kite. Thanks for catching it.
Humble Bluff's giz kite? Oh, no. This is my giz kite.
Yours? But it looks just like Humble Bluff's.
Yeah, that's definitely mine.
But your giz kite doesn't have yellow spots like this one, does it?
Oh yeah, you're right.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I got a giz kite to fly. Cheerio!
Aw.
Skatha, look out for the...
Hey, I don't need any help, thanks. I know how to fly it. Huh? Huh? What? The signal's gone! Huh? Ah. Oh, no! Oh.
Mo, I'm glad I kept my eyes peeled for trolley tricks, because I think I can see some right now. You just stuck yellow dots onto Humble Bluff's giz kite, didn't you?
What? She's right! This is my giz kite!
Let's get in the... Oh, where's the water? Splash?
It's Auntie Help, the pool lifeguard.
I'm just filling the pool. It'll be ready in no time.
Oh, that's a big pool to fill.
Well, it may take some time.
Here's Tommy Stop and Sophie Play. They were looking forward to a swim too.
We're ready to swim, swim, swim. Stop! There's not enough water in the pool yet.
Shouldn't be long now.
What do we do now? Wait, I suppose. Aww.
Aha! Dadago is taking a little break. Oh, you've dropped the ball, Dadago. Here comes trouble.
Doggy, go!
No running, no diving, no dogs.
There goes that ball again. And there goes Doggy Go.
Doggy, go! You're breaking all the rules. Oh no! Doggy, go! Don't pull the...
Slug.
Oh no!
Poor Doggy Go has got himself stuck in the pool.
It's okay, Doggy, go. We'll get you out of there.
Auntie Help will know just what to do.
I'm coming to help. Come on, Doggy. Let's get you out of here. It's too high. I can't reach.
Now the pool is empty. The ladder's too short.
If only we knew someone who had a long ladder.
But we do, Dada.
Who would have a ladder long enough in every day?
Mama, help.
Of course, Mama help. I'll give her a call. Fire!
Everyday fire station, how can I help?
Auntie Help here. We need a fire engine. Can you help?
I'm on my way.
No time to wait when there's a fire. Ah, Mama Help has finally arrived.
That was quick.
Stand back, everyone. I'll have the fire out in no time. Oh, where is the fire?
No fire, but Doggy Go and Auntie Help are stuck in the pool. The ladder is too short.
I see. A good thing I brought mine then. Commencing Operation Doggy Rescue. Now let's get you out of here.
Thank you, Mama Help.
Don't mention it. I'm always happy to help. I'll be off then.
Better get this pool filled then, so you can all have your swim.
Yay!